This is the state of the room. We are finally off of work, you guys. So we are headed to the store to go Christmas shopping. I have only bought one gift, and it was for a Dirty Santa game that we are doing tomorrow. And that is all I've bought. It's kind of crazy. Normally I'll be like shopping, but we are gonna go buy some gifts. I'm super excited. I think I'm gonna go to Walmart, and then I'm gonna check TJ Maxx. I'm not too worried about the kids. I'm gonna get the kids little things here and there. My husband, on the other hand, I have no idea what I'm gonna get him. He is always so hard to shop for. Like, I always buy him cologne. I always buy clothes. I've bought him watches. I bought him a necklace. So like, what else is there to buy, you know? Like, I don't know. Maybe I'll look at some shoes. I've never bought him any shoes before. But we're also not trying to spend like too much money on gifts either. So I don't know. We're gonna go in the store. We're gonna see what we can find and call it a day. Alright, y'all, the damage was only $298, and I'm so proud of myself considering I have 3 kids. So, like, I'm coming to the realization now that, like, they don't need all these gifts during Christmas time because they get stuff throughout the year. They have birthdays. Like, Christmas is a time for, yes, gift giving, but also just spending time with family. So I did buy, like, board games for Levi and Jaden, so that way we can play games on Christmas Day. Like, it's not all about the gifts. And plus, my family members are coming to my house. We're having Christmas at our house. So my mom always goes all out. And then my mother-in-law, they're coming. So they'll get gifts from them. My sister and brother-in-law are coming as well. So they'll get gifts from them. So I'm not going to spend all my money on gifts. And they're going to be getting gifts from other people too. So they should be grateful for what they get. And I'm grateful that I only spent $298 on 3 kids. So I got all the stuff from Walmart. I got some productive things. I didn't just get toys. Got some books. I will show you guys what I got. Not in this video. I'm going to post it in another video. But I think I did good this year. Last year I spent like over $1,000 for Christmas. And That's ridiculous. So $298 for 3 kids is amazing. Bae, if you're watching this video, please just fast forward through this. I still do need to get my husband a gift. I think I'm gonna get him a pair of shoes. I mean, I've run out of things to buy him. Like the colognes I always buy. Bought him necklace, bought him watch, bought him clothes, games. So, I mean, what do you buy? What do you buy your husband? I could have made like something sentimental, but it is December 19th and it's not gonna come in time. So next Christmas I'll make him something. I made him a blanket a long time ago. I think it was for our anniversary. I don't remember which one it was, but made him a blanket with our picture on it. And then I've also made him like a book with our pictures in it. And actually that gift was from Jaden. So it was like a book with pictures of our family. At the time it was just Jaden. So it was super cute. Maybe I'll make him another one of those for another holiday. Let's head home. Let's go hide these gifts and let's go get the kids. I am so embarrassed to say this, but we still do not have our ornaments on our tree. My son has put ornaments on our tree from his Christmas party that he had, but both trees, they are empty. So I am home and we're gonna put up the Christmas lights outside because our front porch is a little bare and the house next to us on both sides, they have their lights up and I don't want to be the only naked house. So I'm about to put some stuff up outside. I have a wreath to go on the door. Hopefully the batteries still work from last year because I don't feel like wanting to store it, get some more. So we're about to do that right now and I'm trying to get into this Christmas spirit. You know, I got my shirt on and all, okay? So we're about to do that now.